Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis several times this past week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And overall, nothing really new to report, so I don't know if update's the right word. Maybe more so confirmation would be an accurate term. The first bit of confirmation comes via this level of support right here, around $3.25, give or take a little bit. But that green line right there is actually more so about 323, and given how close this price is, a couple pennies actually does matter here. So 323 is going to be that level where, like I said, I talked about that as an area of support, and opening 30 minutes, it did get violated to the downside, but once the price bounced back upwards, you can see the price just pretty much cruised right above it and then stayed above it the rest of the day. So going into next week, that 323 mark is certainly going to be that ideal level that you do want to see the price stay strong and hold up above. With that being said, if the price falls below it, it's not the total end of the world, because not that far off, you still have the 315 mark down here, which sure, the price didn't hit it exactly during that, downwards flush movement, but got relatively close. So good to see that that area did indeed hold as support. So again, I realize if you've watched any of my past videos on this, these are not really anything new levels that I'm talking about. But that's why, probably confirmation would be, the more accurate term. And then as far as levels of resistance are concerned, key level to watch is going to be up there at 340. So if there is any sort of attempted bounce to the upside, then that main overarching level at 340. Although I will say that in the near term, I'm not going to put in an official annotation there. There does seem to be this downtrending trend line right there. So if you want to put that on your own personal chart to monitor that, I mean, I don't think many people would argue against that, because that's a very apparent trend line there. But if the price can break through that trend line, then again, it goes back to whether or not the price can work its way up to 340 and then get the break of that. But all in all, decent day. We'll see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.